Hello everyone, friends, on the Color of the Valar. Today I'll show you how to download and install PgAdmin 4 or PostgreSQL. Go to the browser. Here we are writing PostgreSQL. Go to the download. Select Windows. Click Download Installer and select, well, the installer. Here you have such a file. Open it. Click Yes. We will open the installer. Click Next. Next. Select everything here. Next, 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 and there will be an installation. This is where you will be asked for a password. Enter the same password twice and do not change the port. That's it. And we are waiting for installation. That's it. Well, after finishing, click Finish. Write PgAdmin 4 here, open it. That's it. Well, we are waiting. Well, we have PgAdmin, yes. Well, go to your server. This is with the password that you entered during installation. That's all. The Valor is with you. Goodbye, everyone.